In this video, we'll see how we can create multi-step form. Like here, currently you can see multi-step form in WordPress website. Here, WordPress website for free. Like here, you can create multi-step. Then I can submit. Very simple, the free. Let's go and please join membership. Here I am logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now, first I will install contact form 7 through which we create simple form. We all know that contact form 7 is mostly popular contact form that is used on WordPress. Here I have installed contact form 7. Here currently you can see in my form, by default form it gives here. Now suppose I want to display it in any page. 7. Here you can see, if you don't get option like this, because it, so you can easily add using shortcode and paste the shortcode that we have copied. So they are both options. You can do as per your requirement. Okay. Now here, this is my contact form. I can style it as per my requirement, but for now we will not style it. Now here you can see it is a simple one-step form. We want to convert it in multi-step and add some more section. For that, what we will do? First, let's add some more section. This is my contact form. Here currently you can see email. Now I want to add a section for address. So what I will do? Label address. What I will do is first I want to add country. Okay, and that will be text field. Country. Here you can see country. Similarly, you can add as per your, as much of detail you want to add, you can add. This is my contact form. Now we will convert it into multi-step. For that, we'll go on plugin, click on add, and we will install a plugin through which we will convert it into multi-step. Here, multi-step for contact form 7, install it. Activate. Now when we go on contact forms, go on edit. Here you can see multi-step setting. So we will create multi-step. For that we will create, suppose we want to create 3 steps. In step 1 I want to show only 2 details. So what I will do, I will cut it and paste it in step 2. Then remaining in step 3. Here you can see back button, next button, step 3. In such way you can add number of steps you want to add. Now let's see how it will look. Here you can see it's a multi, your name, email. When I click on next, I need to fill these detail first. Then I need to fill the detail first. Then only able to move. Here subject. Then country. We can select go back or next. Here message. And now submit. Thank you for submitting. It will go back to first page. So that's why you can easily create multi-step form in WordPress website for free using contact form 7. You can style it in any way using custom CSS. It's all upon your CSS styling. So you can style it in very unique way. That's not a problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.